Showcase Live. We are here at the 2018 DeLand Sport Aviation Showcase. I am one of your hosts for the Showcase Live, Dave Schallbetter. A lot of you know me from Sun and Fun Radio, but this week we're wearing a different hat, different shirt, because I'm doing a different job. And you're actually seeing me and not just hearing me. We are broadcasting live from the 2018 DeLand Sport Aviation Showcase. This is our first year for the Showcase Live. We did Showcase Stage last year where people were able to come inside the exhibit tent, come up on stage, show us what they have. But, you know, a lot of people came in, they showed a really lot of neat products on the stage. But folks, when your product is as sexy as this Magnus aircraft in the background, you can't bring it into the stage. So the decision was made to take our show on the road. That's right, we hit the road. We are now Showcase Live Mobile. We are out here all week long broadcasting quarter after the hour, every hour. We've got some great interviews lined up. So you want to stay tuned. You want to like our Facebook page. Keep an eye out for our live podcasts. Now, I mentioned a minute ago this beautiful Magnus aircraft. We are here at Magnus America's display, which is display number 7 here on the grounds. We've got pushed up against the fence. We've got good view of the runway and everything else. And I am here with Ryan. Good morning, Ryan. How you doing?
I'm doing great today.
Welcome to Showcase. Now, I don't have my cheat sheet in front of me, so I only know Ryan. It says on his car. Tell our folks, tell our watchers. I'm so used to radio, I keep saying listeners. Tell our viewers your name, Ryan.
Ryan Walton.
All right, now are you guys is Magnus based in Utah, or is Magnus based?
No, they're actually based in Virginia. They brought me out here just to help out with
All right, so you are here flying their aircraft, Magnus. Now, I mean, it's gorgeous. This is just sexy. Wings, 3-by prop, tipped up canopy. What you tell me about that?
So it's a special light sport category with the airframe underneath is made of being lifted keeping rigidity and strength. And the composite materials make it estimated to that weight factor. And as you can see, very sleek, fully aerobatic airframe. So it can go from full -3 to positive 6G range. It's got a this current model has a Rotax 912 ULS engine in it. You can also get the fuel injected engine as well.
And what horsepower are you pushing?
This one does 100 horsepower.
And that is your stock 100 horsepower stock engine. What can you upgrade? And when you're buying the aircraft, you can upgrade to bigger engines, or is this all you're offering right now?
Yes, you can upgrade to a larger engine, and that engine you can also upgrade to an invertible engine, and to take full advantage of the aerobatic capabilities of the airframe.
Do they offer a factory smoke system? Now, so okay, so and I see we got 2 seats from here. We can see 2 seats in the aircraft. What's your payload?
Payload for the aircraft is about 500 pounds. So that's to keep it in the light sport category. So empty weight of this aircraft is about 800 pounds, and it can carry up to 1320 seater.
Wait a minute. The airplane, this aircraft is 800 pounds as it sits here on the ramp. You said the empty weight is 800, or did I misunderstand what you were saying?
The empty weight is 800 pounds.
Well, actually, part of what's really cool about being on Showcase Live Mobile is we're actually mobile. Let's take a walk over and look inside the cockpit here. Now I see Fusion 212 on the cowling. What's the significance of the Fusion 212 symbol?
Not entirely sure about that. Might ask Janny over here.
Oh, come on over. I'm just saying it's got a Fusion 212 here in your stripe. What's the Fusion 212?
This is the name of our plane. Our plane is the Aviation 212.
Okay, so the model of the aircraft
Yes,
is okay.
the model.
Magnus is the manufacturer.
Yes, Magnus
and
are
the
manufacturer
Fusion 212.
out of Tysons, Virginia.
Say again?
Magnus Aircraft International out of Tysons, Virginia. Our plane, the model is the Fusion 212. Like you said, we have this engine goes 100. You can also get I think up to maybe 114 horsepower.
if you take me that way, that we're not going to be able to see the cockpit through the sun.
Do we want to go around and see if we can see?
That's kind of what I thought we were going for. You're more than welcome to stay in the frame. He was going in a direction that it was just not going to go well.
Well, there's a reason I do radio, not video, guys.
We still got some, but at least it's not quite as bad. So here, I can zoom right in.
Okay, so let's go ahead and come over here. We're off camera now, so tell me about what we're looking at on the panel. I'm seeing 2 glass displays.
So the Fusion 212 comes with a 9-on Skyview. This is the dual display model. And these displays are actually more portable. You get your avionics information, so your attitude, altitude, airspeed, all that. You get your engine information, and you can get your map. And you can swap those between both screens freely.
Now again, this is a very sleek aircraft. What are we looking at for cruise, VNE, climb, etc.?
So you're going to cruise at about a 105 to 110 knots. It's got a VA of 110, so it's quite high for a light sport aircraft. VNE is actually 151.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but wow. 110 cruise, 150 VNE. That's it. And if there's anybody out there, VNE is velocity never exceed. Means don't fly this airplane faster than. But still, 151 miles per hour. Wow, that's fast. So, climb rate?
You can climb about, if you take off at the water, climb about, down here, we're talking about 900 feet per minute.
That is very respectful. Very respectful.
This plane will take off like a rocket. It goes very fast up in the air.
And they pay you to fly it. Man, how do I get your job? So what else do you want to tell me now? You're out here on the grounds. You're going to be here all 3 days. Website. Do you guys have a website?
Yes, the website is MagnusAircraftUSA.com.
Okay. MagnusAircraftUSA.com. And social media presence. Come on over, Dave. Dave's my new best friend here. She gave me a pad and a pen this morning, which was some of the goodies you can
Make
get
sure you
here,
stop
so.
by the booth, check out all of our swag. We're on Facebook, Magnus Aircraft Incorporated. We're on Twitter. We're actually getting an Instagram. We're everywhere. Just look us up and talk to us, and we would love to schedule you for a demo flight. We'll have a plane here in Florida for a few months. We'll have a plane back in Virginia. We're getting a plane out west, where our lovely pilot will be taking people on demo flights there too.
We're out west.
Mostly in the southwest area. I'm based in Utah, and the plane will be able to reach Utah, Arizona.
So when I go visit Vegas, I can come for a flight.
Yeah,
You should.
definitely do that.
Nice.
But don't drink first.
I never do that. 8 hours bottle of throttle. I know the rule.
That's an absolute rule. All right, is there anything else you guys would like to add about your aircraft or about being here? We were just talking before we came on. We were talking about maybe catching up at Sun and Fun.
Yeah.
You know, hopefully you guys will be out there at Sun and Fun. But you're here. You're here at DeLand in the Sport Aviation Showcase, location number 7, which is on the runway side of the grounds. It's a beautiful day out here in DeLand, so I appreciate you taking your time, Ms. Manning. Mr. Ryan, thank you. Anything you want to add before we go, either one of you? Absolutely.
We'll be in Sebring again in Florida in January. We'll be at Sun and Fun next. Please stop by, send us a message. We'd love to take you guys flying. Thank you.
All right, Ryan?
Just like to add, it's an absolute joy to fly this airplane. It's extremely responsive. It's extremely fun to fly.
And it's got aerobatic capabilities. All right, for Showcase Live, I am Dave Schallbetter, along with my partner in crime, co-team leader Mike Daniels, and we are here at the 2018 DeLand Sport Aviation Showcase. We're going to cut this off. We will be back at 11:15 with our next interview. For now, see ya.